Welcome back to the WordPress Basics videos. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can add a new user to your blog. Maybe it's for a webmaster or someone who does writing or work for you. It can be really for anyone, but all that you need to do is click on Users, okay? And then right here, we're going to add new user. He's going to need a username. He's going to need an email address. Put in his name. Doesn't need my password. Actually, let me just... We'll add in our password. Add our password. And now it's going to be saying also, what role does this person have? He could be an administrator like me, could be an editor, an author, a contributor, or just a regular old subscriber. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this person an administrator. Okay, so they're going to have all the top level administrative functions. They can do pretty much everything with the website. And I'm going to click on Add New User. Oh, my password wasn't strong enough, so I have another one that's ready to go. Okay, and you can see we've got these two. Now what I could do is I could be in here. We can make a new post, add new, and we can even so we can say, hey, who's the author of this one? It could be me instead of Judith. But that's just how you add new users in case you want to, and you can also add, delete, you can change their, if we go over to the users again, we can go ahead and edit this user here. And we can say, oh, wait a minute, this guy's no longer the administrator, he's just an editor, or he's just a contributor or a subscriber. All right, so that's how you add new users. It's really easy to do. I will see you in the next video.